Hey guys, we just got the mail and this box was there. So let's go ahead and see who's inside. And of course, I have to cough. We'll take a minute, you guys. Okay guys, we're back. Sorry about that. Let's see what this baby looks like. Super excited about her. I was on the fence. I was really on the fence about her. But since she has my favorite head mold, it was like, go ahead and get it, take a chance, and we'll see. So, we shall see if this is love at first sight. I love the mold. I love her hair color. Eye color, I was iffy about. But yeah, let's go ahead and unmummify her. Alright, stuck here. So far, I'm happy. So far, I'm getting happy. OMG. Oh my gosh. You were so pretty. You guys can't see her. Wow. In case you didn't know, I love the Addie mold. I'm on a hunt for every Addie doll ever made. And I'm also on the hunt. Oh, God, you're beautiful. I'm on the hunt for CYO dolls. As you could possibly tell, this is now our fourth. And we have another one. I just got the notification before we started unboxing that lady number 5 was shipped. She's another one I was on the fence about. Actually, I saw the other girl before I saw this girl, and I was gonna get her, but Makari was being stupid, and I said screw it. I was gonna wait a couple of days before getting the Makari one again, and that same night this girl popped up, and it was on Facebook, so there was no tax involved, so I was happy. But oh my gosh, she is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Where's the light? I want to check out these light brown eyes she has. Oh, those are pretty. Wow. You really do have light brown eyes. Yeah, you're a keeper, baby. Now we just need to figure out your name. That was the hard part. I had her picture from the Facebook post, and I was just trying to figure out what I was gonna name her. So I think I have like 5 names that I'm thinking about. But wow, she is so pretty, you guys. Wow. Yeah, we did good with this girl. Anyway, I did make her an outfit. I hope it works for her. So I made that earlier today. So she at least has an outfit. And I ordered her an official CYO outfit. That should be here sometime next week. And I think that's it. So we are going to finish up in the photo booth with the outfit I made for her. I don't know if I'm going to include the CYO outfit in this video. I might just save it for a goodies unboxing. So we'll see. Anyway, we got a new cutie, you guys, and I love her. She's an Addie mold, and she's so adorable. Anyway, we're gonna end for now, and I'll see you guys in the photo booth. As always, keep watching, stay safe, and I'll talk to you guys later.